Hello, little explorers! Are you ready to meet some of the cutest animals from around the world? Let's go! Our first stop is China, home of the giant panda. Pandas are black and white and love munching on bamboo all day long. Isn't that adorable? Can you pretend to eat like a panda? Nom nom nom! Bye, panda! Next, we visit Australia to meet the cuddly koala. Koalas spend most of their time sleeping in eucalyptus trees. Isn't that cozy? Let's give a big yawn like a koala. Bye-bye, koala. In the Sahara Desert, we find the Fennec fox. Its big ears help it stay cool in the hot sun. So tiny and sweet. Can you wiggle your ears like a Fennec fox? Bye, fox. Back to the mountains of Asia. The red panda climbs trees with its fluffy tail. Can you wave your tail like a red panda? It looks like a tiny fireball of fur. Bye, red panda. In Western Australia, we meet the quokka. Quokkas are the happiest animal on Earth. It always looks like it's smiling. How cute is that? Let's give our best quokka smile. Say cheese. Say bye-bye to Quokka. Now we travel to the icy Arctic to see the fluffy white Arctic fox. Arctic fox snowy coat keeps it warm in the cold. Can you pretend to walk through the snow like an Arctic fox? Say bye-bye, Arctic fox. In the African savanna, meerkats stand up tall to look out for danger. They're like tiny furry guards. Let's stand tall like a meerkat and look around. What do you see? Say bye-bye to meerkat. Time to dive into the ocean to find sea otters. They float on their backs and hold hands while sleeping to stay together. Isn't that sweet? Can you pretend to float like a sea otter? Bye, sea otter. In gardens and forests, we find hedgehogs rolling into tiny balls to stay safe. So cute and spiky. Can you curl up like a hedgehog? Bye-bye, hedgehog. In Mexico, meet the axolotl. Axolotl is a pink smiling amphibian that can regrow its body parts. Isn't that magical? Can you smile like an axolotl? See you, axolotl. In the rainforest of Central and South America, sloths move so slowly and hang upside down. And they're so relaxed. Sloths look so cute, hanging from the tree. Oh. Can you stretch and move slowly like a sloth? Bye-bye, sloth. In Antarctica, penguins waddle and slide on the ice. They're the best-dressed birds in their tuxedos. Can you waddle like a penguin? Bye-bye, penguin. In grassy fields, bunnies hop around with their twitchy noses and long ears. Bunnies are super speedy. Can you hop like a bunny? Time to say bye to Bunny. Under the sea, clownfish live in colorful anemones. Clownfish look like they're always ready for a party. Can you swim like a clownfish? Bye-bye, clownfish. In the mountains of South America, alpacas have the fluffiest coats. People love their soft wool. Can you pretend to have a fluffy coat like an alpaca? Bye-bye, alpaca. In tropical wetlands, flamingos stand on one leg and are bright pink. Their color comes from eating shrimp. Can you balance on one leg like a flamingo? Time to say bye to flamingos. In the Arctic, polar bears roam the ice, and they're expert swimmers. Their fur keeps them super warm. Can you walk like a polar bear? Bye, polar bear. In forests, chipmunks scurry around, collecting nuts in their cheeks. And they're so quick and clever. Can you puff out your cheeks like a chipmunk? Bye-bye, chipmunk. In India, the peacock shows off its colorful feathers in a big, beautiful fan. So fancy and fabulous. Can you spread your arms wide like a peacock? Time to say goodbye to Peacock. Wow, wasn't that an amazing trip around the zoo of the world? All these animals are so cute and special in their own ways. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun adventures. Hi there, friends! Are you ready for an exciting safari adventure? Let's hop into our safari jeep and explore the wild. Hold on tight. It's going to be fun. Let's go! Wow, look up, everyone. It's a giraffe. Giraffes are the tallest animals on Earth. Did you know they can grow as tall as 18 feet? That's super tall. Giraffes love to eat leaves from trees, especially acacia trees. Their long necks help them reach the highest branches. And guess what? They use their 18-inch tongue to grab the leaves. Isn't that cool? Let's wave goodbye to the giraffe. Bye, giraffe. Look over there. It's an elephant. Elephants are the largest land animals. Do you see their big trunks? They use their trunks to drink water, eat, and even give themselves a shower. Elephants eat grass, leaves, and fruits. Did you know an elephant can eat up to 300 pounds of food a day? That's like eating 1,500 apples. Let's wave to our elephant friends. Bye, elephants. Oh, look at those striped beauties. It's a zebra. Each zebra has its own unique pattern of black and white stripes, just like a fingerprint. Zebras love to munch on grass all day. They even sleep standing up to stay alert for predators. Isn't that smart? Let's wave goodbye to the zebras. Bye, zebras. Shh, everyone, it's the king of the jungle, the lion. Lions are strong and powerful. They love to eat meat and hunt in groups called prides. Did you know that lion cubs are super playful, just like you? And a lion's roar can be heard from 5 miles away. Wow! Let's say goodbye to the lions. Bye, lions! Whoa! Do you see that big animal? That's a hippo! Hippos love to stay cool in rivers and lakes. They eat grass, and even though they're so big, they can run really fast on land. Amazing, right? Let's wave goodbye to the hippos. Bye, hippos! Wow, look at that beautiful pink bird. That is a flamingo. Did you know their pink color comes from the food they eat, like shrimp and algae? Flamingos love to stand on one leg. Can you try standing on one leg like a flamingo? Let's wave goodbye to these graceful birds. Bye, flamingos! Look up there, it's a monkey. Monkeys are super playful and love climbing trees. They eat fruits, nuts, and even insects. Did you know monkeys sometimes help clean each other's fur? That's called grooming. Let's wave goodbye to the monkeys. Bye, monkeys! Whoa, do you see that spotted cat? This is a cheetah. Cheetahs are the fastest land animals. They can run up to 60 miles per hour. Cheetahs love to eat meat, especially gazelles and antelopes. Let's wave goodbye to these speedy cats. Bye, cheetahs! Listen, do you hear that howl? It's a wolf! Wolves are great hunters and work together as a team. They eat meat and can live in forests, mountains, and even snowy areas. Let's say goodbye to the wolves. Bye, wolves! Look at this powerful animal. It's a rhinoceros. Rhinos are super strong and have thick skin. Did you see its horn? It's made of the same stuff as your nails. Rhinos eat grass and leaves. Let's wave goodbye to the rhino. Bye, rhino. Look at that colorful bird. It's a parrot. Parrots love to eat seeds, nuts, and fruits. Did you know parrots can mimic sounds, including human speech? Let's wave goodbye to these chatty birds. Bye, parrots. Boing, boing. Look at that kangaroo hopping around. Kangaroos are amazing jumpers and carry their babies in pouches. They eat grass and leaves and can hop as far as 25 feet in one jump. Let's wave goodbye to the kangaroos. Bye, kangaroos. Look at that big furry bear. Bears love eating fish, berries, and honey. Did you know they hibernate in the winter? That means they sleep for months. Let's wave goodbye to the bears. Bye, bears. Wow, look at those dazzling feathers. It's a peacock. Peacocks love to eat grains, seeds, and insects. When they spread their tail feathers, it looks like a beautiful fan. Let's wave goodbye to the peacocks. Bye, peacocks. What a wild adventure we had. From flamingos to peacocks, we met so many incredible animals and learned all about their eating habits. Which animal was your favorite? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing adventures. See you next time. Bye-bye.